Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro on your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your earbuds as a device list. And right here at the first line we have a line we call name, so you need to tap on it. Right here, write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text, and you can remove some text if you need it. The most important is to click done at the right bottom to save this new name. Now you can go back, and as you can see, we just changed it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.